Hello traders, welcome to ChrisFX. Today we are gonna go through a very similar strategy to the previous ones based on ICT kill zones, and for this strategy I'm gonna go through the past 10 days and we are gonna gather the statistics together, and I will begin by showing you which indicator to use. So first of all, go on the bottom right of your screen. For the new people who watch my videos for the first time, on the TradingView platform, click on it and then go to UTC-4 New York. This is in order for all of us to be coordinated in the same time zone, and then go on the indicators tab on the middle top of your screen and then type sessions on chart by AUROX AIF. This will appear exactly right here. Click on the settings and copy those settings as I have them right here. So what we will be doing, we will be identifying the highs and the lows from 12 o'clock until 8:30. Then we will be waiting for either the highest point or the lowest point to be broken after 8:30. And whichever one is broken first, then we are gonna be looking to trade against it from 8:30 until 11 o'clock. This is gonna be our window. Now some different things are gonna be taking place, such as we're gonna be trading on the 3-minute time frame, and we're gonna be applying some new rules on GBP USD. So I will show you the past 10 days totally transparently, and then you can go ahead and backtest it on your own and type down your results. Quickly, I want to mention that I have been trading with a 50k funded account, and now I am on my way of getting another 100k account. Those things I'm doing live in the signals group, and I'm showing proof of the trades when I'm calling them live twice per day. I'm also taking the trades that I'm calling. I'm showing also proof of the withdrawals. So if you're interested, just go ahead and enter the signals group. I'm just on my way of becoming a 7-figure funded trader. This will not happen tomorrow, but I have plans for this to happen very soon. So let's go ahead and we are gonna do the past 10 days. As I said, this has not been formed yet, but probably I'm gonna be trading it today. And one more thing for my signals group, the strategy that I'm using, the exceptional strategy, is on indices and not on Forex. So this is something to mention as well. Let's go ahead then. We said from 12 o'clock until 8:30, this is why the indicator does it for us on its own. We are looking to see if we have a break above the highest point or below the lowest point. So the highest point of this green zone is up here, of course, and the lowest point we will see very soon. Let's move forward and go to 8:30, let's say. So now the lowest point, where is it? It is exactly right here, and the highest point of the green zone from 12 until 8:30 is up here. We are waiting for one of those to be broken, and we will proceed together. Now we are in our pink zone, which is from 8:30 until 11. We need to see our setup happening within this time, guys, and we also want to take the trade within this time. Now we have broken below the lowest point, and I'm gonna be taking you step by step. A proper high is here now, so I will tell you about the rules, so don't worry. Now, where is the proper high? The proper high is here. It is the high which created the lowest point, and I keep going. So now we have broken below this area, so the proper high now becomes this point exactly right here. And because you guys requested it, I'm gonna be zoomed in so it will be easier for you to see. Okay, now we broke below this area as well. So the highest point is right there. Let's see, guys, what we want to see. We want to see a break of the previous high on the 3-minute time frame with a body of a candlestick. So if we see something very slight or a wick or anything, then we want to wait for a body of the next candlestick to break. Okay, just a wick will not do it. When this happens now, the rules are as follows on GBP USD. You will be entering the trade, and properly your stop loss should go below the low. But the maximum stop loss that we are gonna be assuming is 15 pips. So anything above 15 pips, we're not gonna consider it, and we're gonna be placing the maximum of 15 pips. what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be going for a fixed 3-to-1 reward to risk. In order for this strategy to be profitable, we want to go for a fixed 3-to-1 reward to risk. So the trade would look exactly like that. So let's see if this would play out. And as I see it, we do have our first win here, guys. So this is the first day. I will do 10 days, the 10 past days, so you cannot claim that it is in retrospect, but even if you claim it, I don't really care because I'm doing exceptionally well. I don't need anyone's confirmation, and I'm showing proof contrary to other traders who are just showing pictures. In my signals group, I'm taking all the trades live, and I'm showing the proof of withdrawals as well. So here I'm gonna be moving quickly, and I'm gonna be seeing if we have a break of the low or the high, but nonetheless, nothing more than that. The lowest point and the highest point in this green zone from 12 until 8:30 were this one and also this one respectively. Okay, we're waiting for a break of the high or the low within this pink area. Here we have it, right here. And by the way, if you lose one trade, you are not entering a second trade. This is one of the rules as well. This is our high now. Let me zoom in again so you guys can properly see. So let's see. This is with a wick, so we do not take it into account yet. This is with a body though. We enter instantly. What did we say about the rule? The 15 pip rule. Even though this doesn't look good in this occasion, you might say, why aren't we using a Fibonacci in order to enter at the 62% level or 50%? Well, this is the proper way to do it with another strategy on this pair, but with this simplified strategy, which has exceptionally high winning percentage, this will not be the case in this specific strategy. We are not gonna be using it. So yes, we are buying in a premium, but do not worry, this is a loss. And we keep moving forward. Third day is down here, guys. And the only reason why I'm not trading Forex, I mostly do it when I'm going to get funded. The reason why it is because on indices we have a way higher winning percentage, which gives extra confidence when you're trading a live account. So the lowest point now has been broken. Do not get confused. The highest point is here. We are expecting to see a break of this high with a body of a candlestick. Now, where is the high? This low was broken. The high which created the lowest point is this high right here. And on indices again, we are not trading it this way. We have other rules that, to my awareness, I'm the only one out there who has the rules that I have. And I think I have, if not the best winning percentage out there, even though I don't think there is a single person who has a higher winning percentage on indices, then I have one of the highest. Okay, so here we go. This is a very small body. Let's wait for another one. Okay, this will count. We enter here and we will be taking the maximum of 15 pips. In this occasion, it is also nice because it is below this FVG. And as I said, we are going for a fixed 3-to-1 RR for this strategy to be profitable. Okay, very profitable. And of course, you can let the trade run for way more than the pink zone, but the setup has to happen within the pink zone, and you have to take the trade also inside this pink zone. Let me go to the 5-minute time frame to check it out, guys. If this will play out, and this plays out normally. You are not closing anything else below 3-to-1 reward to risk. So this is a win. Let's go ahead and note that down as a win. And let's go back to the 3-minute time frame. Okay, we have done already, I think, 3 trades already. Here we are, we have done those 3 trades. Let's check out if this one would have an opportunity. As we see it, right here, we wouldn't be having an opportunity because the highest point is this point right here and the lowest point is this point right here, and none of these were broken inside this pink zone. So this is a no trade day. When I say I'm gonna do the last 10 days, I mean also I will include the no trade days and I will put the devil face for those. And here, let's see if we would be having a trade on this day right here, because we have a break of the highest point. The highest point as we see it is right here. Okay, I will zoom in and I will take you through step by step. It is very important that you highlight the lowest points then, or the highest points. Now that we have broken above, you want to determine the proper lows in order to see a body break on the 3-minute time frame. And as I can see it, this would be the proper one in this occasion. And now this would be the proper one right here. And now this would be the proper one because it created the highest point. Okay, hopefully you are following, and of course you can ask me anything on the chat. And here we do have a body break. Let's go ahead and take the trade with a maximum, no, just above the area in this occasion. And we are going for a 3-to-1 RR. I don't think this will be working, but you will see after the 10 days our results. Yeah, this is a loss. It's okay. And we move backwards once again. Here we go. This day right here. We have the highest point, which is exactly right here, and it was broken in this pink zone, so we are looking to sell. So we're looking for some structure to be formed, and here we formed some structure already, which is very low. Of course, we cannot take a trade like that because look at that 45 pips, we would never consider that. Here though, we do have a low. This is a proper low, and this is another proper low now that I see it. So here we can take the trade right here with a stop loss right above the area, and we can go for a 3-to-1 RR. I don't think this is working as well, but we don't mind. You will see the winning result, the winning percentage after I finish with those trades. So do not worry at all. Let's move forward. This is realistic trading, guys. I'm not gonna show you 50-to-1 RR and 99% win rate. Here we don't have a trade because within the pink zone we didn't break either the high or the low of this area, so this is a devil face. And let's move backwards. Here, as I can see it, we will be having a trade. That's all I'm looking at, guys. I'm not looking how the setup forms. I'm a very experienced trader. I don't need to prove anything to anybody. I'm just teaching you various strategies. And here we move forward. Okay, we broke below the lowest point, and for those of you who might think in order to break below a point or above we have to have formed some structure and this will be, for example, a low. No, it is the lowest point. So within this green zone, where is the lowest point? The lowest point was exactly the bottom of this candlestick, and we did break it. So now we have a high right here which created the lowest point, and we keep moving forward. Okay, now we have another high. You have to be very cautious. Let me zoom in. These are very important things. This high is higher than the high on the left and then the one on the right, and it did create the lowest point as well. And there we go. We have a break with a body. We take the trade here, stop loss right below the area, and we will be going for a 3-to-1 RR again. Okay, so a 3-to-1 RR, and let's see if this will hit the target very, very, very easily. This is why it is important to go for the 3-to-1 on Forex, especially with these strategies that I'm showing right here. So let's check this out if it would give a trade. I know that as I see it, we broke above the highest point. We have the highest point here, the lowest right here from the green zone. Let's check it out if we will have a trade. Everything happens on the 3-minute time frame. I went too far. I apologize for that. So where is the proper low here? The proper low to be broken is this one. We would never take such trade anyways. It is 55 pips. Let's see if we create a new high within this pink zone. For a new high to be formed, we have to break above this high, by the way, guys, within this pink zone. Okay, so forget about anything within this consolidation, and now we have broken above it. So now I can check out which was the low that created the highest point, and I have to zoom in for that. And the low which created the highest point is this one right here. Let's see. Okay, now we do have another point, which is this one right here. Oh, here we are off because 11 o'clock has arrived and we haven't been able to take a trade. So this is a no trade day as well. You have to be very strict with your rules. And let's keep moving backwards. How many trades have we done already? Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So another 3 days, guys, no more than that. So here, as I can see it, also we might not have a trade. We're waiting for the lowest point or the highest point to be broken. This is the lowest point within the green zone, and this is the highest one. Okay, the lowest point, wait, let's go back. And I think this is an example that I did also in the previous video, if I'm not mistaken, probably. Let's move forward. Okay, where is the high now, guys? I went too fast beforehand. Where is the high? This is a high. These are things that you need to be able to recognize. If you cannot recognize those things, then go ahead and book a one-on-one mentoring with me, and I will be teaching you these things. And for you people who might be wondering, why is he doing the mentoring stuff and all of that, since he is a trader and he makes money out of it? Because I want to educate people and I want to make even more money. Hopefully I answered your question. So there we go. We keep moving forward. You just need to see what people say in my signals group, and you will see who I am, if I'm a real trader or not. Okay, so here it is, and we're going for a 3-to-1 RR. 3-to-1 right there. Okay, we broke with a body, stop loss, the maximum of 15 pips, as we said, not down there, and we are gonna check it out. And I think this is yet another win. Yeah, this is another win, guys. Okay, so again, for those of you who say that I'm cherry picking, even with these simplified strategies, it doesn't seem exactly that I'm cherry picking anything. I'm doing the past 10 days exactly. So doesn't look like cherry picking to me. And I'm just seeing if we broke above a high or a low in order to save some time. Those videos take a long time to make, and I'm not making any money out of them, like some pennies from YouTube only. So here we broke above the highest point. Now our low is down here. We cannot take a trade there, of course. It is very, very low. Now that we broke above this point, where is the most recent low? This is a peculiar situation because this is a low as well, but I will still assume that this is the low in this occasion. Let's see. Yep, now the low will be this one right here. It did create the highest point. Let's see if we break with a body below the area. We did break with a body below the area, and we take the trade instantly with a market execution, and we use the maximum of 15 pips, since if we place it above, it is above 15 pips, so we will go exactly at 15 pips stop loss, and we will go for a fixed 3-to-1 reward to risk. We are not overcomplicating things with this one. Looks like this came very close, but still we haven't won it. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame in order to be a little bit quicker. And this is a loss, guys. It came up to 2-to-1 RR, and this came back to throw us out. So I will note that down as a loss, and then I think we have one more day to do. And it's gonna be this day, so the fixed 3-to-1 RR has to happen, guys. Of course, you could win also with a 2-to-1, but the 3-to-1 is the most optimal scenario. And we will see how we would be doing in a challenge after this happens. So we broke above the highest point, so now we're looking for sells. I'm zooming in once again. As you guys have requested, this is the low that needs to be broken. This is very bad price action, by the way. So this is marginally broken. I don't know what to do in this occasion. It is very, very low. So it is 20 pips, it is too much. I'm not gonna be taking a trade here, guys, unless price comes back again. So I'm not gonna be taking the trade, but if we would take the trade, it would go right here. Or is it not so low? It is not so low. We can take the trade actually, because I will tell you why. Because those FVGs right here have been tested. So okay, we can do the 15 pip stop loss. Let's see, 3 to 1 fixed. Let's do it. And let's go to the 15-minute time frame in order to be a little bit quicker. And it looks like this is another loss. So let's note that down as a loss. And I think we have done our 10 days already, guys. So let's go and check out the results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did 12 trades. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. Out of the 12 days, we didn't have trades on 3 of the days, but we did have trades on the rest of the days. So let's note down the results and let's say wins 4. I think we won 4 trades, so 12% gain. Of course, there are commissions here as well. Losses are the rest of those, and let's count again. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses, guys. 5 losses, minus 5%. Okay, minus 5% within 12 trades, guys. And then we have 12 minus 5, we have a plus 7%, but because we are realistic traders, we will do minus 1% for the commissions, because I'm the most realistic trader on YouTube and the most transparent one. So we have a plus 6% after commissions, let's say, which is an amazing result given the fact that you are not doing anything but sitting back and enjoying the trades play. This is more than enough in order to pass challenges and have financial freedom, but of course the strategy that I have, especially on indices, I'm not changing it for anything. The winning percentage is to the moon. So if you want to join, I will be leaving all the links down in the description or in the comment section for you to check it out. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be uploading more interesting strategies and more educational content. This is gonna do it for today, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.